Anyone can benefit from using Lean Six Sigma. It doesn't matter what job industry or kind of job role you are in, it's about helping people solve problems and make improvements everyone can benefit from. Let's take a look at the benefits of Lean Six Sigma. Stronger customer focus. Focusing on the voice of the customers, it looks at customer expectations and customer preferences. Motivated and engaged workforce. Lean Six Sigma creates autonomy and encourages creativity, resulting in increased productivity and staff development. Solving problems at the root. Using root cause analysis, you determine the root cause of an issue so that you can take the necessary steps to ensure that it does not repeat. Lean Six Sigma targets zero errors using the DMAIC process. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Applying the continuous improvement method and analyzing the process while optimizing the procedures allows for increased capacity. Six Sigma improves efficiency by identifying all kinds of waste and addressing the causes. Six Sigma helps reduce the costs of materials, resources, labor, and utilities, as well as unnecessary steps, defects, and errors in processes. Lean Six Sigma can boost an organization's profits by streamlining and integrating processes to ensure they are completed more efficiently with no expense to quality. Lean Six Sigma is a great framework to improve quality standards and operational excellence. Constant focus in improving the quality of your process, product and service allows you to value add your offerings within your industry. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more upcoming training videos.